Come everyone, gather near. Let's plant seeds with love and cheer. Tiny hands can make the start, growing gardens from the heart. Take your little gardening pot, find a sunny little...
Every giant tree, every beautiful flower, every fruitful harvest began as a tiny seed. It is my privilege to extend a heartfelt welcome to our respected principal, Reverend Father Robert Rodriguez, the acting principal, Mrs. Shruti Ma'am, and Mr. Sujit Sir, teachers and our lovely little children.
Sunshine bright and raindrops sweet, help the little seed complete. Grow up high, touch the sky, wave your leaves way up high.
We are having seed sowing activity. ಏನು seed sowing. seed ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is seed? seed ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಕ್ಲಾಪ್. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೀಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೀಜ. ಬೇರೆ 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 ರೀತಿ ಬೀಜ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇದ್ಯಾವುದು? ಇದ್ಯಾವ ಬೀಜ? ಇದ್ಯಾವುದು? ಜೋಳ.
Growing better every day. Let's add a little seed today. Watch it grow in every way. Sunshine bright and raindrops sweet, help the little seed complete. Drip, drip, drip goes water clear, helping every plant grow here. Not too much and not too less, nature always gives her best. Every morning we will see something special there will be. Tiny leaves will soon appear, growing bigger through the year. The birds will sing, the bees will hum, butterflies will gently come. Flowers bloom, trees grow tall, nature's gift belongs to all. Green the earth, clean the air, let's protect it everywhere. Plant a little seed, till the little seed spreader everywhere. Watch it grow, sunshine bright and raindrops sweet, reach the sky, the little sleep.
I extend my heartfelt thanks to our respected principal, Reverend Father Robert Rodriguez, for his constant guidance, support and encouragement. I also express my sincere gratitude to our chief guest, Mrs. Shruti Ma'am and Mr. Sujit Sir, for gracing the occasion. A special thanks to all the teaching and non-teaching staff for their support and cooperation.
We will water every day, never throw our plants away. We'll protect each tiny leaf, giving nature sweet relief.